Hello friends, how are you all? I know you all must be fine in your home and enjoying your mom's food. So stay home, be safe. Let's start our chapter. Today's our chapter is, as you see on the screen, is factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. We will study in detail about factor and multiples. What are factor and multiples? Let's start. A multiple. A multiple is formed by multiplying a given number by the counting numbers. The counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You must be confused what is written in the definition and what it is saying. Let's see with the example. Example lists the multiple of 4. See, multiples of 4. Multiple of 4 means just you have to read out the tables. Multiples means just read out the table of that number. Just read out the table of that number. That is called multiples. If it is written in a range, you have to write in that range. If it is not written in range, just write few numbers. Let's see multiples of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. These are the multiples of 4. As I told you, just read out the table of 4. That is called a multiple of 4. If you have to find multiples of any number, just read out the table of that. Just like that example I have given, a multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. In the question, it will be given a limit. You have to find 5 multiples of 4. You have to find 8 multiples of 4. Like that you can find it and write down the answers. Okay? Like this 24. See, counting numbers. So the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. Continuous. There is no limit. That's why we written extra. But in the questions, in the books, there are limits are given. That you have to find 5 multiples, 8 multiples, 12 multiples. Just read out the table of that number. You will find out the answers. Okay. So what are the first 5 multiple of 13? As I told you, first 5 multiple of 13. What does it mean? 5 multiple आपको निकालने हैं, 5 13 के. Read out the table. 13 on the 13, 26, 39, 52, 65. These are the multiples of 5. These are the multiples of 5. We have to find the 5 multiples now. So we can see on the screen, we have just read out the table of 13 and we find out the multiples of 5. Let's move. 13, 26, 39, 52, 65. They asked for first 5 multiples. We have found out first 5 multiple of 13. Just read out the table. That is called a multiple. Find the missing multiples. Just note out the questions you have to do in your homework. This is the homework question. Note down fast or take a screenshot. Okay. Let's move on. These are the answers. See, you can match the answers. This is the homework. Now factors. Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get a product. For example, the product 24 has several factors. Means factor means the number you are getting, the number which you are getting. Listen to me carefully. The number which you are getting. You have to find the multiple, not multiple factors means from which number that answer is coming. From which number that answer is coming. 1 and itself. These two factors are common. 1 and itself. These two factors are common. Let's see the example, then you will understand more. 24. 24, we have to find the factor of 24. Find out the numbers, find out the product of two numbers in which we can get 24 as the answer. See, 1 into 24, as I said, 1 and itself means 1 and 24. Answer will be there. Up in between, how many numbers are coming? 1 into 24. If you do 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. So, what are the factors? 1. Yeah, in simple language, you should decide 20. You have to find the multiple of factor of 24. Just find that number by which number 24 is completely divided. Simple language. Find the numbers by which 24 is completely divided. Listen to me carefully once again. Find the numbers by which 24 is completely divided. 1 and 24 itself. These are fixed. Now find the others numbers. By 2, 24 is divided? Yes. By 3, 24 can be divided, yes. By 4, 6, 8, 12, these are divided. So find a number by which you can divide 24. That is factors. Okay, 1 and itself, they are common. Let's see more example. Finding factor. Start with 1x. When you repeat your factors, cross out the repeat, you are done at the point. If you get double, such as 4 into 4, then you are done. Repeat or double lets you know you are done. I know you must be getting bored in reading this. Let's see an example. What are factors of 16? Now tell me, how many numbers are there which can divide 16 completely? 1? Yes. 1. 2 can divide 16 completely. Yes. 3 can divide 16 completely. No. Because in 3's table 16 doesn't come. In decimal answer will come in decimal. 3 can't divide. So 3 will not a factor of 16. Okay. Then 4 is there. 5 will not there. 8 is there. Then 16 is there. Dekha, 3 is not a factor. 4 is a factor. Double done. There are factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1 and itself means 16 is common in every answer. You have to find the middle one. Just find out the numbers by which 16 can be divided completely. पूरी तरह divide हो जाए वही number होते हैं. What are the factors of 18? 1? Yes. 2 into 9? Yes. 3 into 6? Yes. 4 in 4 table 18 comes? No. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. No. 18 doesn't come in 4's table. So it will not divide completely. Not a factor. 5? No. 6? Yes. Now, see. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are the factors of 18. Like this you have to find the factors. 1 and itself is common. Again I am saying factors are those by which number that number is completely divided. Here question is 18. Factors of 18. Find out the numbers by which 18 is completely divided. मतलब पूरी तरह divide हो जाए वो numbers आपको बताने हैं. 1 और 18 तो होंगे ही होंगे. और कौन से नंबर होंगे? 2 से डिवाइड हो सकता है, 3 से, 4 से, 5 से, 6 से, 7 से. आपको चेक करना है. 1 और itself, 1 और 18 तो होंगे होंगे. उसके बीच में कौन कौन से ऐसे नंबर होंगे जिससे 18 हमारा पूरी तरह डिवाइड हो जाए. फैक्टर ऑफ 7. फैक्टर ऑफ 7 मतलब इट विल 1 into 7. 2 no. Now see, 3 no, 4 no, 5 no, 6 no, 7 yes. So this was, but it is a repeat. We are done. So 7 has two factors, 1 and 7. 1 and 7. So I am just giving you a summary. What are multiples? Multiple are those. Just read out the table of that number. If you are finding a number, like we have to find the multiple of 7, 5 multiple. Just read out the table of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 21. Like this you have to find out the multiples. Now factors, just read out. Just you have given a number. Like that you have given a number 20. 1 and 20 are fixed. 1 and 20 are fixed. Just find a number by which 20 is completely divided. Like this you have to do factor and multiply. Now prime and composite number. Prime number are those which have only two factors, 1 and itself. जिसके सिर्फ दो फैक्टर होते हैं, 1 और खुद. ओके, एग्जांपल 3, 5, 7, 11, 31. कंपोजिट नंबर आर दोज विच हैव मोर देन टू फैक्टर, जिनके 1 भी होते हैं, itself भी होते हैं और एक्स्ट्रा भी होते हैं. और मतलब जिसके 2 से ज्यादा फैक्टर हो जाए उनको आप कंपोजिट नंबर बोल देंगे. Like this, we'll see an example. See, more than 2 factors. 6, 18, 30, 100. Of course, they have more than factors. Like this, you have to perform the questions. Okay? And do practice the question. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay? So, practice the question. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day.